Hi, welcome. Do you know which skill is currently in high demand and serves as the backbone for many front-end technologies? It is none other than Microsoft Excel. What if I told you that you can automate your Excel task without any prior experience or knowledge and save up to 3 hours per day? That's truly amazing, isn't it? I am VK and I have over 10 years of experience in data analysis and data visualization tools. I won't be organizing a webinar. You can download my course and practice it whenever you have a free time. In my course, I have included an AI automation video tutorials along with advanced concepts like slices and pivot tables to help you analyze your data using real-time scenarios. I have also covered how you can automate these tasks using AI. Moreover, many people find VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP are complex to understand, but I have made it easy for you. I explain them with simple and practical examples so that you can apply them for any of your real-time scenarios. Additionally, I have included two free bonuses. One is collection of 100 predefined Excel templates that can save you a lot of time. Along with that, an Excel AI automation step-by-step PDF guide. Here is the testimonial what our customers and students are talking about our Excel AI automation course and how it helped them to achieve their success. So what are you waiting for? Download the course now, practice at your convenience and become an Excel AI automation expert.